In this video, I will be showing you how to report a YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, I go up to the YouTube search bar at the top of the page. I click inside the search bar and type in the handle of the channel I want to report, at Content Creations Imp. Once typed, I press enter to run the search. From the search results, I click directly on the channel name, Content Creations Imp, to open their main YouTube channel homepage. Underneath the channel title and handle, there is an overview description section. I click on the More button right next to More about this channel to expand the details modal. In the modal that pops up, I look at the options near the bottom. I click on the Report User button with the flag icon. This opens a small menu with several options. I select Report User from this pop-up list. Next, a window appears asking, "What is the issue?" I read through the categories and select the radio button for hate speech against a protected group. Then, I click the blue Next button at the bottom right. The screen moves to the next step, which mentions selecting abusive videos. Since this channel has no videos listed, I simply click Next again to proceed. On the next screen, it gives me an option to provide additional context in a text box. Since I don't need to add extra notes here, I go straight to the bottom right and click the blue Submit button. Finally, a confirmation dialog appears saying, "Thanks. We've received your report." I click the OK button to close the pop-up, and that's all there is to it. Your report has been successfully submitted to YouTube. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.